Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy MDM. I'm back out here. It's a new week. Y'all seen the titles, Home Be Lit. Let's go. Yo, what's good MDM fam? So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys probably one of the most important tools for Forex trading, which are candlestick patterns. Throughout the series, I'm gonna go from literally the ground up, from all the fundamentals and basics of trading to all the most advanced trading strategies. And so if you guys are not already following the channel, what are you guys doing? Please go down below right now, click subscribe, join the family. I also recommend turning on post notifications because you guys are not going to want to miss a single one of these videos. But yeah, enough said, let's get right into breaking down these patterns. Yo, so we're just going to get into a blank chart right here. And I've already, as you guys can see, I've already drew some candlesticks down. So I'm just going to explain to you guys what a candlestick means. And basically a candlestick is really easy. It's the easiest tool to read. So a candlestick has four parts: the highest point price went to, the lowest point that price went to, the open, where price opened, and where the price closed at. So it's really simple, right? So basically for a bearish candlestick, the red candlestick, price would have opened here. It would have went to the highest point at one point. So it would turn into a green, bullish candlestick. And then price would then, bearish, it would go down. It would reach its lowest point at one point. And then price would retest and it would close right about here. So that's what a red candlestick does. That's what it means. It's pretty simple, honestly, and it's the opposite with the green candlestick. So price would open down here. It would reach its lowest point at one point over here. It turned red, obviously. It's in bearish right now. And then it would bullish. It would go upwards. Price raises. It would reach its highest point at one point. And then it would eventually just end up closing right here. So yeah, that's basically what candlesticks are. That's the most simple definition I can give you guys. It's really all you guys need to know though. It's really simple, and basically candlesticks tell us everything. So you guys need to be looking at the candlesticks. So candlestick patterns are a candle or multiple candles which tell you exactly what the market's going to do next and where price is leading to, and whether you should be getting into a buying position or a selling position. So that's basically the main purpose of candlestick patterns. And if you guys look online, you will most likely find hundreds of different patterns. I'm going to put on the screen about now just a couple of them, but really there's only a couple patterns that I believe, alongside some research that I did, are what you really need to be trading the market efficiently. And those can be divided into three categories. So the first category would be single candlestick patterns. The second would be double candlestick patterns. And the third would be triple candlestick patterns. So for a single candlestick pattern, those would include the doji, the marubozu, the shooting star, the hammer, and the inverted hammer. So I definitely recommend you guys do some research on these. So the doji is a sign of indecision between the buyers and the sellers, and this could result into a reversal of the price sometime soon. So the marubozu is just one solid candle, just one big candle, and they show strength towards the trend as well as a possible reversal of a previous trend. The shooting star is also a clear indicator of a reversal of a trend. Basically, shooting stars are seen at like the top of a trend, and if you imagine it's an uptrend, right? You see a shooting star at the top of it. That means that price is going to either retest or it's going to shoot all the way down. So it means a reversal of a trend. And lastly, there's the hammer, which is very similar to the shooting star. It just indicates a reversal. But yeah, those are really the main single candlestick patterns that you guys should be looking at. So next up, we have the double candlestick patterns, and these include the tweezer top, tweezer bottom, the double top, double bottom, and the bullish and the bearish engulfing candles. I'm not going to explain these as much as the last ones, but as the name states, these are just two candlesticks that form a specific pattern, and so traders should really be looking out for these and be ready to trade with whatever happens. And lastly, there's the triple candlestick patterns, which include the head and shoulders and inverted head and shoulders, as well as the morning star and the evening star. So these are very, very useful. As soon as I learned about these patterns, I just started seeing more things on the market, and I started seeing these patterns more and more often. But they definitely help. I can literally just open up a chart right now and show you guys. So if I just go on to, just go here. Sorry. So right here, there's a downtrend right here. You guys can clearly see the shoulder right here, the head over here, and then the other shoulder here goes down into a downtrend. So that's just one example. You guys can clearly find a lot more. It's just one of the patterns that you should be looking out for. But yeah, I definitely just recommend you guys to really do a lot of research on these. Make sure you memorize these candlestick patterns because they're going to be so useful while trading. So yeah, basically as shown, all I'm saying is true. These are, you know, official candlestick patterns, obviously, but yeah, they do help out a ton. I definitely do recommend you guys do some more research on these and you know, just learn more on them. Practice, memorize them, because recently I started putting in some more work towards trading, and as soon as I started to learn these, I haven't memorized them fully just yet, but these really make me change my perspective. I start to see way more when I'm on the market, and overall it just makes trading so much more easier for me. But yeah, I did a bunch of research for this video. I also added a couple useful links down in the description. If you guys want to look at those, I definitely recommend it. But yeah, if you guys found this video useful or helpful anyway, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any uploads. But yeah, you guys know we put in the work. But that's really all for today. I'm gonna catch you guys later. And so, peace out, fam.
I just pull up to the east side, but I keep me westin'. You started something, but learned still you was testing. My clip got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.